Do you ever wonder what types of videos actually get more views and subscribers? I've done a lot of research, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 most viral video ideas that will work in any niche. So if you apply it in your niche, that is, if you make videos based on these 10 ideas, the chances of your video standing out is 100%. And these are the same type of videos all these top YouTubers use to blow up here on YouTube. So make sure you don't miss any point at all. And at the end of the day, if you go ahead to apply any of this video idea on your channel, believe me when I say your video is going to stand out. So without much being said, let's go straight into the video. So the number one video idea on my list for today is how to and tutorials video. One thing you need to understand is that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and every single day a lot of people are searching for solutions to their problems here. So if you can actually come up to teach something valuable here on YouTube, your videos are going to rank higher in search results and get consistent views over the time. And here are some examples of how to and tutorials video idea. Example one is how to edit YouTube videos on your mobile phone, beginner tutorial. Definitely every single day people are up here searching for how to edit, even how to edit with CapCut. So have you seen the reason why how to and tutorial kind of video actually blow up here on YouTube much more? Then the second example here is how to get more views on YouTube in the year 2025. So if you are out there, you're planning to maybe start up a YouTube channel, this is a kind of niche or video idea that you can give a try. Definitely you're going to excel in it. So the number two video ideas which can actually spike up your views here on YouTube is trending challenge videos. Like hopping on a particular trend is one of the fastest and easiest way to get discovered here on YouTube. It has worked for me and it has worked for a lot of YouTubers that I know out there. You all know that my first ever viral video on my channel, when I was still below 5,000 subscribers, that particular video actually elevated my channel. It was a product of me hopping on a single challenge, and this is the video here. Back then the trend that was ongoing was how to get 1,000 subscribers in less than 1 week, in less than 6 days, and I just basically shared out my opinion and how I was able to achieve that from posting short form video, and lo and behold, that video elevated my channel, and that video is the product of what my channel is today. And I've tried a lot of that on some of my other videos, which are these videos you see here. So have you seen the reason why hopping on a particular trending video in your niche is very important? And another thing you need to understand is that YouTube loves trending content and new viewers are more likely to watch. And here are some examples for this kind of video idea. Now, example one is I tried a particular challenge for 24 hours and here is the result. Have you guys noticed that any video relating to this kind of topic actually blow up? I've tried it on my channel, and currently there is this particular channel that I come across, and this particular video is doing exceedingly well on her channel. If you guys check from the thumbnail down to the title, you will see that this particular video is all about hopping on a particular trending video idea that made her video go viral. This kind of video ideas perform very well on YouTube here. You can also give that a try. And why this video idea actually work out is that challenges create curiosity and encourage engagement, making the viewers stay longer. Yes, videos like that actually make people to stay longer in order for them to get results which they can also try out on their videos. So the third video on my list for today is reaction and commentary videos. Reaction videos performs really well on YouTube here. Why? Is because they engage emotion. So this is a kind of video ideas that you can also give a try in order for you to skyrocket your channel. You can react to a lot of things like viral TikTok trends, viral YouTube videos, and also viral industry news. There are a lot of things you can react to on YouTube here that attract a lot of attention. And on my list here, I have close to 3 different examples. Number one example is reacting to the most popular TikTok trend of 2025. And these are some of the examples on the screen. You can see that they have high video views. Why? Is because a lot of people are up here to actually, a lot of people enjoy trends. Yes, one of the reasons why they come to YouTube here is to watch trending stuff, trending videos, trending news. So what you just need to do is to actually react to the video. And if you're out there, you don't even know how to react to a video, you can drop it in the comment section, and maybe probably I should be making a video on that. And secondly, while listing all these video ideas, make sure to also watch out this particular video in order for you to know how to do it well, to avoid demonetization on YouTube here. Now, another example is my honest opinion on YouTube new monetization rule. And if you're wondering why does this even actually work, one thing you need to understand is that viewers love to see other people's opinion on trending videos. There are a lot of trending video ideas here that if you calm down and study it through, you're going to get that inspiration and that idea for you to go ahead and try it out on your channel. So right now, we're going to be moving on to the fourth video idea that can actually elevate your channel. So the number fourth video idea is mistake to avoid videos. One thing you need to understand is that people don't want to fail. People don't want to fail here in life and also in YouTube. So definitely videos that will help them to avoid certain mistakes are actually very popular. Those kind of videos perform really well here on YouTube. You can go ahead and search out for videos like that and you understand what I'm saying better. So here are some examples of video ideas in this particular point. Number one example is 5 YouTube mistakes that are killing your channel. We all know that we wouldn't want to make any mistake that will terminate our channel or that will make us lose our YouTube monetization. So definitely videos like this actually perform so well. So if you are in how to and style kind of niche, this is a kind of video that you need to give a try, especially if you are in my YouTube growth niche. This is also a video you can also give a try. And another example is top 10 dieting mistakes you are making. Of course, people won't want to make mistakes, so videos like this actually stand out. And aside from standing out, videos like this go viral because people are searching for it. People are searching for how to lose weight on daily basis. So if you can actually make videos on mistakes to avoid, your videos are going to stand out. So the number fifth video idea that can actually perform well in the year 2025 is I tried this for a week video. One thing you need to understand is that experimenting with something and sharing your results is a great way to attract curiosity, and the curiosity factors make viewer want to see more and also see the results. And here are some of the examples I have here. Example one is I tried waking up at 5 a.m. for a week. Here is what happened. So there are a lot of examples in this kind of video ideas. What you just need to do is that at the end of this whole video, go ahead and start making your research, and you will see a lot of examples for you to even give a try or to even copy the video and bring it up here to YouTube. So the second example is I ate like a celebrity for 7 days. Insane results. Normal, me and you know that if you come across this kind of video, you will definitely want to watch it, right? So this is a kind of video that you need to give a try, and it will definitely perform well on your channel. So the number six video ideas is best tips and hack video. One thing you need to understand is that people love quick and easy life tips that can help them improve their daily lives. Yes, a lot of people come up here to YouTube to search for beauty tips, beauty hacks, and a lot of things like that. So I'm going to be giving you some example. One of the example I have here is life-changing productivity hacks you need to try. A lot of people are up here searching for a lot of things relating to life hacks, beauty hacks, and even YouTube growth hack, how to get more views, 10 tips to actually blow up, 10 tips to look more beautiful in your 30s. I've come across videos like that on YouTube here with over 2 million views, with over 1 million views. Even if you actually do a video like that and you're having 50k views, isn't it a great thing? You know, all this video sometimes boils down to the audience you have. So this kind of video is a video you need to also give a try in your channel, no matter any niche at all you are. These video ideas are going to definitely work. So the number seventh video ideas is story time videos. This kind of videos, a lot of viewers we want to definitely want to stay till the finish, especially if it is a video relating to emotion or real life events. This kind of videos perform really well on YouTube here. And one thing you need to understand is that Telling an interesting story or shocking personal experience helps to keep viewers focused even till the end of the video. And here are some of the examples I have here. Example 1 is I got scammed out of $500, my story. Definitely, if you see this kind of video, you might also want to go ahead to click on it to watch for you to be able to know how the scam came about and also how that particular viewer was able to survive it in order for you not to make that kind of mistake. So another example I have here is the time I almost quit YouTube motivational story. This kind of videos perform very well here on YouTube. So you can also give this a try. And if you're wondering why does this story time videos work out, it actually work out because people love hearing real life experiences and emotional videos keep them watching for longer, like for longer. So you can also give this particular video idea a try until your channel blow up in the year 2025. So the number 8 video ideas is product review and unboxing. A lot of people don't know how to use some product that they just purchased. So one thing that they basically do is to go over to YouTube or to go over to Google search to search for how to actually use this particular product. And if you make a video on that, then definitely they're going to watch that video in order for them to be able to know how to make use of that particular product. So reviewing product that people are interested in can bring in a targeted audience. Why? Is because a lot of people here, even before buying that product, they will come up to the YouTube search bar here to search out for that kind of product before going ahead to buy it. Like for instance, before I bought this my iPhone 12 that I'm using, I could remember that I spent how many days searching for it here on YouTube. The camera quality, the battery, and the rest of them. I actually started searching for it on Google, and all the videos directed to me and all the answers were bringing me over here to YouTube. So have you seen that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google? You get to YouTube. So have you seen that how to videos actually perform really well here on YouTube? Now, one of the example I have here is iPhone 15 review. Is it worth the upgrade? This is a beautiful video that you can actually try, and that video will definitely perform well on your channel. So another example is unboxing the best budget microphone for YouTubers. Before I got this my mic here, I came up here to search for it. Even before I bought my other mic K39, I came up here to search for it, and I saw a lot of unboxing videos, and those videos are performing very well. So those videos actually helped me on knowing the kind of mic to get. So one thing you need to understand is, or why this particular video ideas actually perform very well here on YouTube, is that these videos get high search traffic because a lot of people want to know more and also want to know if that particular product that they're about to purchase is worth buying. So have you seen that this particular video ideas actually perform really well here on YouTube? And it's also something you can give a try and see your channel performing well. So the number 9 video idea in my list is a day in my life and vlog videos. A lot of people spend most of their time here, like when I mean 6 hours, watching vlogs, lifestyle videos. So these are the kind of video ideas that you can also give a try and stand out in the year 2025. One thing you need to understand is that daily vlog shows personalities and lifestyle, and a lot of audience are interested in that. And in order for them to also get some tips and hacks to apply to real life, I could remember watching a particular lady's vlog on YouTube here actually opened my eyes on buying some products online and also on a sweet recipe, that is a sweet cooking recipe that is actually helping me a lot in my house. So have you seen that this kind of video ideas also perform well because a lot of people want to actually watch your lifestyle? That is what some people enjoy doing here, and videos like that perform really well. So I have some examples here. Example 1 is a day in my life as a small YouTuber. This kind of video ideas are mostly for these people focused on vlogs. Yes, vlogs and lifestyle videos. So it's also a beautiful video idea that you can also give a try, and also a niche you can also give a try. So even if you're not famous yet, documenting your journey, your life journey, can as well attract viewers. Videos like this perform really well on YouTube here. So the number 10 and the last video idea that I have to share with you guys in today's video is compilation videos and listicles. One thing you need to understand is that videos that compile of the best 10 or the top 10 things in a category perform really well. And some of the examples I have here are: example 1 is top 5 video editing app for YouTube, free and paid. Definitely this kind of videos perform so well. People want to know some of the best video editing apps to actually help them on YouTube here. We have various video editing apps. We have Canva, we have CapCut, we have InShot, we have a lot of them. So most time people want to know the ones that is actually easy to access, or even top 10 cheapest camera to buy, or top 10 video editing apps for your thumbnail design. So a lot of videos like that perform well here on YouTube. And another example again is 10 best business to start in the year 2025. Of course, people want to know the best 10 business to actually focus in, or to actually know much more about before giving it a try. So videos like this perform really well here on YouTube. And finally, we've come to the end of the 10 most powerful video ideas that if you can try it out on your channel, you're going to start getting that views, subscribers, and watch hours. Yes guys, as you're trying all these video ideas, make sure you are optimizing your title, you are optimizing your thumbnail and your description. And optimization simply means whatever title you are using, let it reflect on your thumbnail, and let the keywords appear in your description, your tags, and your hashtag. Just make sure you optimize your videos well. Use the necessary YouTube inbuilt features, and believe me when I say that video is going to stand out. So guys, if you find this particular video interesting, or you find it helpful in one way or the other, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this particular video if you've not liked it, drop me your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're planning on giving any of this video idea a try, you can also go down to the comment section and drop it. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye, and see you in my next video.